Setting up the T800 is very simple. We will show you in 9 steps how to do it. The T800 comes to you in a robust and nicely designed cardboard box. In there you will find everything you need for tactile gripping. 2 Taroki jaws. 2 washers. 2 screws. 2 black SPI cables. The pre-processing unit. And a micro SD card. The only additional accessories you need are a cable tie of 50 centimeters, a standard M6 hex key, a Raspberry Pi 4B, and a micro USB cable. To get started, use the screws and washers to attach the Taroki jaws to your robot's gripper. It should firmly connect so the jaw cannot move. Please keep in mind, however, to not over-tighten. You might need to adjust the drilling of your gripper's fingers if the bore holes don't match. Then connect the Taroki jaws with the pre-processing unit and attach it to the robot using a cable tie. You might also want to attach the cable to the robot arm link. Make sure the cable is long enough to move freely in any robot arm configuration. Connect the pre-processing unit with the Raspberry Pi using a micro USB cable. Then connect the Raspberry Pi to a power supply. The Raspberry Pi will turn on automatically and the Taroki software will set up everything. To be able to make full use of your T800, connect to the network with the given credentials: SSID Taroki, password, GripKit-T800. Finally, open the following address in a browser: http://192.168.1.42/Taroki. Welcome to the world of tactile robots.